Truth be told, for my needs, for my family, in this class, the Stargazer is the best option. When I saw the Stargazer, actually, it was actually very suitable for what I need. I have a wife, 2 kids, both daughters, so girl dad ako. The reason actually for getting the MPV is really to make sure comfortable. Ito, maluwag yung gitna, and then they have enough leg room. Sa likod, ganun din. So, lahat ng bags, kung kailangan yung stroller, if I need the scooter there, and hindi ko tatanggalin doon yung even ginagamit ko sa office. Actually, I've been working in the construction materials industry for many years now. Normally, I go to the plant, Mariveles, Pampanga, talagang nagagamit yung Stargazer. Very reliable, wala akong problema in terms of commuting to and from different plants. And normally, talagang expressway ang hataw nito. Di ako nabibitin, no job too small. So minsan, even cement samples sa kotse. So for laboratory, for testing, for my needs, for my family, in this class, the Stargazer is the best option.